This is actually a PSA and it's really important. My name is Mark Belanger from the Metro City Property Group. If you own residential property in Ottawa, there's a quick declaration you need to complete every year, and forgetting it can get pretty damn expensive. And it's the Vacant Unit Tax Declaration. Every residential property owner in Ottawa must declare whether their property was occupied or vacant during the previous year. And even if you live in your home full time, you still need to submit the declaration. And the deadline to submit that declaration is March 19th. And if you miss the deadline, you can still file until April 30th, but there's a $250 late fee. So getting it done is pretty important. And if the declaration isn't submitted, the city may deem your property as vacant. And that can trigger the vacant unit tax, which starts at 1% of the property's assessed value. And if a property remains vacant for multiple years, that tax increases each and every year up until 5% of the assessed value by year 5. So pretty brutal math if you're not submitting it. The good news is that the declaration only takes a couple of minutes. Just go to ottawa.ca/VUT, as in vacant unit tax, and submit it using the roll number and the access code from your property tax bill. If you ever have questions about property ownership requirements or the Ottawa real estate market in general, myself, Mark Belanger, or anyone at the Metro City Property Group team is always here as your trusted advisors. And in the meantime, make sure to submit the vacant unit tax declaration before the deadline. And from my perspective, kind of the good news is you'll only make that mistake once because the math is pretty brutal. Have a great day.